Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on your 86 to 89 Honda Accord or second gen Honda Prelude. Please excuse my voice today guys, I've got some pretty serious allergies going on. Anyway, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip your headlights into the upright position, clicking that button. Do not turn on your headlights using the stalk on the steering wheel, because you could accidentally shock yourself when you're doing this. So you're gonna wanna have your headlights up just like mine are right here. So the only tool you're really gonna need to do this is just a small to medium-sized Phillips screwdriver and 2 new sealed beam replacement bulbs. Okay, so first what you're gonna wanna do is remove these 4 bolts on your headlight housing here. There's one here on the side, 2 in the front, and then another one on the side. You do not need to remove these 2 bolt screws right here, because these are what adjust the pitch and aim of your headlights. These do not have to come out at any point. I already took this one off to show you a little bit better. You can see the big screw right there, and there's a smaller screw here we'll have to remove. But yeah, so these screws are how you're gonna aim your headlights. They don't have to come out. All right guys, so you can see I have on the ground the 4 screws right here, and you're just gonna wanna gently lift up and pull out, and this is your headlight housing. It's that easy to remove, so if in the future you wanna paint it up or you wanna tint these front housings, you can do that super easy later on down the line. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the 3 screws holding in the metal trim ring. There are 2 up top, and then it's hard to see, but there is 1 down here next to the headlight adjuster screw. All right guys, so once you have removed that metal trim ring holding in your headlight, it's pretty much just gonna wanna fall out. The only thing you have to do is just unplug this 3-wire connector from back here. It doesn't twist or anything, it literally just unplugs from the back. But now that you've done that, you're ready to install your new headlight. I'm gonna have to clean up some of the PB blaster I used because some of my screws holding that trim ring in were pretty stuck. And just a word of advice guys, you're really gonna wanna take the rubber boot that was on the back of your stock headlight and put it on your new one, because it'll help keep contaminants and water from getting inside your headlight, making it burn out prematurely. So yeah guys, and all you do after that is install your new headlight with your metal trim ring again and just install it in reverse order. So next we're gonna throw on our headlight cover. But yeah, as you guys can see here, I haven't done this side yet, but just look at the difference between a old burned out headlight and a brand new one. They look completely different, and it really makes your car look so much better. But that is it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you out. And check out my channel to see the other stuff I do. I also work on this Accord, and I have a Nissan Skyline I'm in the process of working on as well. I should have more content on both of these cars coming up soon as the weather gets nice. Have a great day.